You could be wasting thousands on the wrong 3D scanner, and most creators don't realize it until it's too late. Accuracy issues, slow scans, hidden limitations. This is where projects fail. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best 3D scanner options that actually deliver pro-level results. Stick around, because one of these comes with a limited time discount. Link in the description. Don't blink. Let's start. Number 5. Shining 3D Einstar Handheld 3D Scanner delivers high-quality, detail-oriented scanning with up to 14 FPS speed. Perfect for capturing hair, body, and complex objects. Equipped with built-in RGB camera and intelligent algorithm software, it ensures precise point cloud data with 0.1 mm accuracy and automatic alignment for smooth scanning. With hair mode, safe non-projection scanning, and stable outdoor performance. Einstar makes data collection effortless. Compatible with multiple formats like OBJ, STL, and 3MF, it's ideal for 3D printing, design, education, VR, AR, and digital archiving. High performance, safe, durable, and reliable. Number 4. Creality CR-Scan Raptor Pro is a metrology-grade 3D scanner, built for professionals who demand extreme accuracy and speed. Delivering 0.02 mm precision, 22+7 blue laser and NIR modes, and 60 FPS high-speed scanning, it captures everything from 5 mm mini parts to massive 4-meter objects with stunning detail. The 24-bit full-color output, strong performance on dark, reflective, and glass surfaces, and wireless handheld capability make it ideal for engineering, automotive, and advanced 3D printing, offering serious accuracy, durability, and value for creators who want flawless results. Number 3. Einstar Rockit delivers a high-impact wireless 3D scanning experience, built for professionals who demand speed, precision, and reliability. Featuring dual light technology with 38 laser lines, plus 7 fine detail lines, it achieves an ultra-sharp 0.05 mm HD resolution, even on black or reflective surfaces. No spray needed. True wireless Wi-Fi scanning, a swappable 3-hour battery, and a 5MP color camera ensure smooth, realistic captures. With fast performance, outdoor-ready accuracy, and EXstar Hub software, it's a powerful, high-value solution for reverse engineering, manufacturing, and digital art. Number 2. Revopoint Metro Pro is an industrial-grade 3D scanner built for professionals who demand extreme precision and speed. Delivering up to 0.01 mm precision with advanced 34+15+1 blue laser technology and 62-line full-field scanning. It captures millions of points per second without spray or markers, even on dark or shiny surfaces. With Wi-Fi 6, real-time preview, auto turntable scanning, and powerful professional software, MetroY Pro boosts accuracy, efficiency, and workflow reliability for 3D printing, reverse engineering, and metrology, offering serious performance, durability, and value that instantly grabs attention. Number 1. 3D Maker Pro Toucan Standard is an all-in-one handheld 3D scanner built specifically for creators, engineers, and 3D printing professionals who want speed, accuracy, and true portability. This no-PC device handles scanning, editing, modeling, and exporting on its own, powered by an 8-core processor, 32GB RAM, and 256 GB storage. With blue light technology delivering 0.03 mm accuracy, a 48 MPK color camera, wide object range support, and a 6600 mAh battery for 120-minute sessions, it offers pro-level precision, durability, and unbeatable workflow freedom, serious performance, real value, zero hassle.